Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyanforexx. In this video, I will be showing you how to deposit your fund on XM. So if you do not have an account on XM, then I will be giving you the registration link in my description. You can go and register from there. You just need to fill up some basic details, then verify your KYC, and after that you can submit it, and within 2 to 3 minutes your KYC will be approved. Now if you have an account, then you just need to log in it. After you are done with the login part, you will see such interface. Now if you do not have an account, then you have to open a real account from this option, add additional account. So when you click on this, you have to choose which account you want to open in. So like the platform I need to choose is MT5. After that I will be choosing a standard account because this is preferred everywhere. So I'll prefer this standard account, whether you are depositing $500 or $100 or $1,000. Just open a standard account. But I already have an account, so I do not need to open any other account. I'll deposit in that same account. Now to deposit your fund, you need to choose the account in which you need to deposit your fund. Now just click on the deposit option. After that you will see multiple options to deposit. So if you want to deposit through crypto, then there are multiple options, or if you want to deposit through UPI or bank transfer, then you can do it. So in today's video I will be showing you how can you deposit through a UPI. So just need to select UPI. Now you can see here the minimum deposit amount is 3,000 INR and the maximum deposit amount is 30,000 INR. So let's deposit here 30,000 INR. Now you'll see that you'll receive this much USDT. It's 343. Now you just need to click on all the terms and conditions and proceed. Now they confirm that this is your account and the deposit amount is 30,000 INR and the USDT you'll get here is 343.68. Now here you can see that you have received the QR code. From here you'll just scan it and make payment. So let's do it. So as you can see on the screen that my payment was successfully completed. Now if we come on to the main home page, as you can see that the deposit was successfully completed. Now the maximum limit was only 30,000, so I could do only 30,000, but if you want to make multiple deposit, then you can do it. Now if we come on the home page, then you can see that I have received my account, and it's a real account on MT5, a standard real account on MT5, and I have received 343. Now you can just check your credentials through your mail, or else you can just change the password if you do not remember it, and you can log in your MT5 and start your trading. So guys, if you face any doubt, you have any query, you can just comment below. I will be helping you. I will be there for you. And if you do not have an account, then you can just you'll find the registration link in my description. Also guys, do not forget to join my free Telegram channel. It's absolutely for free. You will receive all important updates regarding forex trading and all good signals which will help you make good profits. So you can just check below. I'll mention the link in my description. Just go and check and don't forget to join it. So see you in the next video.